Hello selfie lovers! Evol Network launched amazing selfie contest ever, where prize pool is 1,50,000 rupees and many more exciting gifts. Why are we still waiting to participate? Let's start our journey to see how to participate in Evol Selfie Contest. Visit www.evolnetwork.com. Here you will see Evol Selfie Contest. Participate. Click here. About pricing pool, as we can see, top 10 will get cash prizes and other 11th to 20th will get surprise gifts. We can file selfie contest guidelines here, where we can see about selfie contest, basic rules and terms and conditions. Let's get back to homepage. Click on participate button. Simply sign up. For sign up, click here. Enter your phone number. Write down the code sent to your phone. Create password for your Evol account. Upload your selfie from here. To avoid exploited content, all selfie will get approved in 48 hours. Once selfie gets approval, you'll get a notification and will be visible to others. Now you are on the way to start collecting votes, and I hope you know very well. First winner will get 51,000 rupees, second winner will get 30,000 rupees and third winner will get 20,000 rupees. So let's click and win.